Yes?
Quezon
Quezon Province. So today I will be reporting about the CCWI Chairman's Report for 2004, Achievement in Combating Corruption in Government Procurements. By the way, my name is Margarita B. Fernandez, and I'm already a public procurement specialist level 2 and awaiting results for level 3. And also, as part of our achievement, out of 5 committees of the GPPB and GPA, I am a committee member for 3 of the committees. So, year 2024, it has been a pivotal year for Crimes and Corruption Watch International. Our commitment to combating corruption in government procurement has led to significant accomplishments, strengthening transparency and accountability across the country. Who we are. Crimes and Corruption Watch International is a non-government organization committed to advocating against crime and corruption in government procurement processes in the Philippines. Our mission, to promote transparency, accountability, and integrity in public procurements. What is our role? Our role, we are a network now of certified public procurement specialists and dedicated observers. We monitor procurement activities and report irregularities on corruption. For our CCWI core initiatives. Next slide, please. For monitoring and observing government procurements, we ensure compliance with laws and regulations. We also identify and report irregularities in procurement procedures. And for advocacy and public awareness, for championing ethical procurement, driving initiatives emphasizing integrity and fairness in procurement processes. And also for empowering communities, strengthening transparency and accountability through stakeholder engagement and collaborative efforts. And for capacity and building and certification, we provide training for observers and members, and also certified observers in public procurement specialist certification courses. So, as part of our achievement for 2024, CCWI now has 31 certified public procurement specialists equipped with the skills and knowledge to monitor and report on procurement activities effectively. So, some of us enrolled in UPLB, CLSU, and USEF. So our training and dedication have been instrumental in identifying procurement irregularities, promoting ethical practices in procurement, ensuring compliance with procurement laws and policies. So in the past year, we have collaborations with government agencies. So in 2024, CCWI was invited to serve as observers by the following government agencies. So we have 2 from DSWD, coming from Region 11 and Region 8. And then IBC 13 also invited us to be their observer as well. And also for National Irrigation Administration. So these partnerships reflect the growing recognition of CCWI. Our role in promoting transparency and accountability in government procurement processes. So as these just are, I will be just discussing just 3 of the achievements we have in 2024. So CCWI has been actively pursuing the ending of contracts and filing cases against procurement irregularities in 2024. Next slide, please. So we have So we have PNR. We ended a contract for security services. So collusion among BAC and TWG and the bidder. So we exposed and reported the BAC, TWG, and the bidder working together to manipulate tender outcomes. And then for the PSP and Old Guard, it was mentioned by Chairman earlier. So the non-delivery of contracted items. systems, and that would be the national ID. And then for DPWH, for conflict of interest, and also we filed complaints against an agency awarding contracts to related parties. So, for conclusion and our next steps, 2024 has been a year of significant progress for CCWI. Our achievements underscore our unwavering commitment to combating corruption in government procurements. As we move into 2025, we aim to further enhance observer training and digital tools, expand advocacy efforts to reach more stakeholders, and continue to hold violators accountable and uphold integrity in procurement processes. So that will be our chairman's report for 2024.
Thank you. Thank you.